What is up, my BladedLeaf family? It is BladedLeaf coming right to you from the Hoenn Region with another unboxing video. And happy Thursday to you guys. It's gonna be a brilliant day because we're gonna open up this Hisuian Zoroark VSTAR Premium Collection box, and I cannot wait to see what is inside. But before I do, be sure to smash that like button. Check out my other videos on my channel, really amazing stuff, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that big shiny red button right there. And let's get into this $40 premium collection box. And I already have it open, so it'll make this video shorter thanks to the power of video editing. And it is that card right there, that shampoo is doing the card. Really nice. You get a really cool pin. I really like this pin actually. Probably one of my favorite pins of all time. So this pin is really cool, and I think I that pin like 10 times in one sentence. And you get a coin right there, pretty nice coin. Hexo tails, play nice. And you get that VSTAR marker right there. Still wishing it was a magnet Pokemon. Make this into a magnet, then it'll become really useful. So that's an idea for you. And then stay until the end of the video to see the code card for the entire box. And you got the cool looking promos right there. It's doing Zoroark VSTAR and the regular V. Really cool artwork. And yeah, like I said, stay to the end of the video to find out what the code is for the sword and shield. It's doing boxes. And going into the last pack, first pack of Lost Origin. Already getting ahead of myself and calling it the last pack. So you got the code card right there. Redeem that and tell me what you get. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Pull it to the front, then let's get this party started. Follow me on TikTok. I got other openings on my TikTok, and the link is in my description below. AP Pump, Damage Pump, Dazzler, Poliwag, Draco, Rumi, Mariah, a Slugma, another Clyco going into a Poliwag. Nothing in that type, but we got Evolving Skies next. One of my favorite card packs of all time, Evolving Skies. There's the code card right there. Screenshot that, and 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Pull it to the front, and let's keep going. And you got an energy. You got a scroll of the Fang Dragon. You got a Hardier. You got a Golduck, a Dino, a Mareep, a Rapavet. I hate that Pokemon so much. Love this. A Triple, a battle and a Hisuian normal Zoroark Hollow. Awesome. Awesome going with the Zoroark family. And going into the next pack, which is the Chilling Rain, and of course it is pretty chilly side today. Is the cold cut for the pack, and 1, 2, 3, 4 from the pack, pull it to the front, and let's go profile. Let's pull a banger in this video. Electric energy, Hadrim, Drizzle, Peony, Swirlic, Lapras, a Dealing, a Glaring Slowpoke, a Carving, upside down double, and going into a Metagross V-card. Awesome pull. I love Metagross. Metagross is one cool Pokemon. And going into the next pack, which is a Sword and Shield Lost Origin. I got a great make up to PSA and it the code card. We teamed that, and 1, 2, 3, 4 from the pack, and let's pull another banger profile. Help me out there. Fighting energy. Keep on fighting, you guys. Keep on fighting for your dreams. Sweet Winabomb. Hariyama. Hanzo. Cool Pokemon. Rosalia. Porygon. Inkay. A Piplup. A Phenom. A Pineapple. And going into a Bavalan. Awesome Pokemon. I think that Pokemon and Poet together really amazing together. The next pack is Hisuian Region. So let's do it with this pack. And if you haven't checked out my previous video, I really recommend you do, because I opened up Crown Zenith, and that was a really amazing time. I got really amazing pulls. So after you're done with this video, please check out that video. It really helps me and that channel out, and it's more enjoyment for you. Temple of Sinnoh, Ozone, Battleball, a Hisuian Growlithe, a Pokemon, a Rufflet munching on some waffles, a Ponyta with some cool artwork, a Shattered, an Energy Lotto, and a Mega. Really cool. So nothing yet other than that Metagross, but let's see if this next pack Fusion Strike, I can hit the Lotto on this pack. See what I did there? Energy Lotto, Fusion Strike. I'm pulling the Lotto from this card. I should stop explaining it. And there's the last code card, that shiny holographic PSA 10 with a million bugs like a Pokemon Pikachu Illustrator card right there. And let's go. Let's pack magic right there. Fusion Strike Energy. A Turtonator. A Pikachu. Again, a Snapper, a Geodude, a Sizzledude, a Klavki, a Pansage, a Shunner, someone like made something good and it's a hunter. Yeah, it does a normal card out of Fusion Strike. And all we got is that Mother Grouse be really cool opening, but we did get a VSTAR with one that box, even if it's a promo, and it comes in every box, so that's nice. So yeah, I hope you started in some BladedLeafYT, and here's the redemption card for the premium collection. If you enjoyed this video, thanks for chilling with me, thank you for being a part of this BladedLeaf community. I hope you have a beautiful day, a beautiful week, a beautiful month, a beautiful year, and a beautiful life. Be sure to share this video with another Pokemon friend of yours, and I'll see you guys in the next video. BladedLeaf out. You can join me in every step in the way of my new Pokemon journey.